with Jesse Gunkel.
Welcome back. Well, it's a pretty remarkable picture out there. You can see behind me on our live tower cam. That is haze. That is dust out there. All that Saharan dust that really pushed its way in yesterday, now kind of hanging over the capital area throughout the afternoon. Actually kind of limited some of that development of thunderstorms this afternoon, but it also put us underneath an ozone action day until midnight. So again, we're still talking some pretty warm temperatures outside at this hour. You see that dust is expected to move on heading into the weekend, which means obviously it opens the door for more shower activity Saturday and Sunday. Look for scattered to even numerous showers and thunderstorms out there with the potential for more heavy rain at times. But obviously because of that dust currently in place, well, again, we sit underneath that ozone action day until midnight. Again, all that means is if you do have respiratory issues such as asthma, kind of limit your activity outside. That strenuous stuff, that strenuous work, kind of wait until the early evening hours. Just kind of take it easy until we move until tomorrow. All right, looking at your satellite radar picture, a little bit of cloud cover out there. We do have a couple little small showers out there. You can see on the Doppler radar, one little thunderstorm not expected to last too much longer out there. As you see on your FUTURECAST picture, a little bit of cloud cover. Things overall are pretty quiet. However, again, this is our in-house model. I do expect us to see a little bit more coverage heading into tomorrow, and obviously larger clusters out there that could bring us some intense rain at times, along with some lightning, and maybe even a couple gusty winds out there as we do sit underneath a marginal risk. So again, the atmosphere is kind of set up for a few more decent storms out there heading into your Saturday and Sunday, and notice moving into next week. Again, we're just talking mainly daytime heating stuff, more of a steady pattern moving into next week. So a marginal risk, that's for all areas shaded in the green, and as you see here, that is the bottom one. That's a 1 out of 5 on the scale, but I do want to point out just 2 days ago where we saw those tornadoes, that was a marginal risk also. So there's always that potential, and that's why you always need to stay weather aware when we get these type of situations out there. So keep an eye on it. Make sure you download the app. You can get alerts over the weekend. As you see, for our probability of rain, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see some showers out there. Moving into next week, a little bit more sunshine and obviously dropping the rain chances just a little bit. Live tower cam showing you again that haze in place, but notice the feel-like temperature just shy of 100 at this hour. Notice across the region from 92 in New Roads to 95 in Hammond to still 102 down in the Big Easy. So a very stifling day out there, and as you see moving forward, we've got some pretty warm temperatures ahead of us. Heat indices will most likely hover just around triple digits each and every afternoon. Now, because of that dust and because we're expecting another plume to move across the Atlantic next week, notice how clear it is out there. No tropical activity is expected over the next 5 days, so it's at least a quiet picture outside. So here you go. Tonight we're talking 73 out there, mostly cloudy, still a little bit on the hazy side, light winds. Tomorrow we'll get a little bit more mixing out there. We're going to get more showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon. And again, if you have plans, try to do it early in the morning. If you do have some afternoon plans, make sure you grab that umbrella. Remember that we have partnered up with iHeartRadio of Baton Rouge, and here's that 7-day picture. Your first three, we go from 88 to 74, 90 more scattered storms throughout the afternoon. The potential for heavy rain, some lightning, some gusty winds, small hail. Monday, as you see moving forward, we're back in the 90s. We're looking at heat indices around triple digits, overnight lows mid-70s. So again, a very uncomfortable picture as we move forward and very summer-like. And because of obviously high humidity, a lot of rain, standing water, well, just a bad combination overall. Next 5 days, the skater meter is going to sit